Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we're doing the unboxing of the new LG Stylo 4. As you can see, this is the unlocked variant. So factory unlocked. I got this straight from Best Buy, guys. So this is the beefed up version of it. So you do get the better specs. I know Boost Mobile released their model, but it had, you know, watered down specs like they call it. 2 gigs of RAM, no quick charge or turbocharge, as well as a MediaTek processor. This one actually is a little bit more beefed up with 3 gigs of RAM. So let me tell you kind of the specs of this phone, guys, so you guys can kind of see it. And it is factory unlocked, like I said, straight from the factory. So you can, it's universal unlock that as well, so you can use it with any carrier that you want. But like I said, this one's running Oreo 8.1. It does have 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, 32 gigs of internal storage. It's 6.2 inches, 3 gigs of RAM compared to Boost Mobile's 2 gigs of RAM. It also, this one has Qualcomm Snapdragon, front-facing cameras 5, the rear-facing is 13. Snapdragon 450. It's actually a 450. Wow! So as you can see, the processor on this thing is really nice compared to the MediaTek, and it does have, of course, a 3,300 milliamp battery, Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 as well. Wow, it supports both. It's CDMA and GSM, so it works with all carriers. Displays a TFT LCD. So let's get into it, guys. Like I said, I kind of wanted to get this variant first before anybody, just because it is the unlocked version, true factory unlocked. So comes from Best Buy, truly unlocked. So you can't use it on Boost Mobile and other carriers, Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, Metro PCS, Cricket, Boost Mobile, all those carriers, since it is factory unlocked, has both CDMA and GSM antennas. But enough of that boring stuff. Let's go ahead and see some of this, guys. So as you can see, I want to say that just because on the box, as you will see, not much specs are said. So here we go on the front of this. It says Stylo 4. As you can see, somebody's greasy fingers already touched my box. I don't know when they were packing it or whatever. He was sweaty. I have no idea. It looks like a bird right here. So, but yeah, on the top you actually do get the LG logo right there. As you can see, LG Life's Good. Nothing on the left side except for a sticker. On the right side you do get where it says 32 gigs. So this is a 32 gig of internal storage, like I said. Boost Mobile does have that version as well, and all of them really. So here on the bottom, you do get that Qualcomm Snapdragon wireless emergency alerts, and there's a little Snapdragon logo. What does it say? Exclusively for LG Series DTSX and BC, whatever that is. So let's go ahead and pop this open, guys, and see what it is. On the back, you don't get anything but a couple of writing and stuff. Nothing really important, just some stuff. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Like I said, guys, I will get the Boost Mobile version and unlock it and compare and all that good stuff. But like I said, I did want to get truly unlocked phone. I've never had one, so it's gonna be my first one. And a lot of people have been hating on the LG, just saying it's not what everybody wanted it to be. So we'll go ahead and see. So enough talking, let's get to it. Wow, look at this presentation, guys. So look at that. Reminds me of like the LG V30. This little nice kind of, I guess, what is it, like cloth, I guess, kind of like a clean cloth. So you can see it says LG right there. Pretty cool. So let's open that up. I like that cloth right there. It's pretty cool. Wow. Oh my god, look at this big phone. Here we go. Look at this big phone. So there you go, LG Stylo 4, 6.2 inch full HD plus full vision display, a stylus pen, 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigabytes of ROM. So wow. Let's see the back of it, nothing but barcode. So let's go ahead and see what else we get inside. Of course, your quick start guide. Wow, look at this. Hey, look at that. See if I can focus it. Fast charge, and there you go, guys. You already know LG, man. LG don't play with that fast charge. And then of course you do get your cable, and look at that. Yes, it is Type C, guys. I don't remember if the Boost Mobile version is, but the locked version is a Type C. So as you can see, very nice. So let's go ahead and see what else we get in here. But overall, that's it. Excited about that, so let's go ahead and put that to the side, guys. Like I said, it's a pretty cool little cleaning cloth that you get with it. Let's close that up. And let's look at the phone itself. So let's take off this clear plastic that's protecting it. Wow. Look at this. Good Lord. Man, this thing is thin. There's MBID, and yes, guys, you do get the better back. I don't know if you can see it. If you'll focus it. But let me see if I... There you go. Look at that. The carbon fiber. You see that carbon fiber, guys? This is like the Sprint and Boost Mobile version. It's the better version. Look at that. Wow. I don't know if you can see it with this camera. I'm hoping you can. Carbon fiber, man. Look at that. It's not a true carbon fiber, but it has like a carbon fiber kind of engraving on it. But yeah. Guys, overall, the phone does not weigh that much. It feels really good. I'm really excited about this phone. It feels really good in the hand, man. The back, like I said, we'll get more into that, but here we go. So there's your front-facing speaker, front-facing camera as well. Everybody's gonna be like, wow, look at that cool camera. So yeah, so remember, guys, you do get a really nice camera. It's the front-facing one is 5 megapixels and the back is 13, so we'll compare more of that. Nothing else in the front. Now to the right side, you do have your power button right here. So there's your power button right there. On the top, you just get a mic and then your bands right there, or your antennas. On the bottom, you do get your 3.5mm headphone jack, guys. Type-C charger. I believe all of them have it. There's your pen right there and your speaker as well. It's pretty cool. On the left side, you do have your volume up and volume down. So it's right here. As you can see, there's another little band right here. There's your SIM door right here. SIM tray, I guess. It's pretty cool. So let's look at the back, guys. So like I said, there's your 13 megapixel rear-facing camera. It does have a flash as well. And then I believe that's your fingerprint scanner right there. Power button. So there's a flash, LG logo. There's no tramp stamps on here except for the LG logo, which everybody will like. So let's go ahead and do a first boot up and see how that goes. So there you go, LG Stylo 4. Look at that. Powered by Android. It says erasing. That was funny. So there you go. Powered by Android. Let's go. I know this one, I believe you can put up to a 2TB SD card, which is crazy. So let's see how it does. So let it just power up and we'll start back up when this thing, when I'm fully done going through everything. Alright guys, so it's finally coming on. So there we go. The LG Life's Good logo's on. So you do have a LED notification light, which a lot of people will ask about. So yes, we do have one up here. But overall, guys, the build quality of the phone definitely feels premium. I mean, the back especially feels, a lot of people, I know some people are saying it's glass. Nah, guys, it's not glass. It's just, it's plastic. It's hard plastic. It's really, I mean, it's really nice material. Definitely you want to put a case on this. I already ordered a case for this phone, especially for the back. So Android, it's starting, so we just have to wait for that. So there we go. There's the welcome screen right here, guys. So let's go ahead into it and see. So it says insert SIM card. A SIM card is recommended to be used with your phone. Pretty cool. You can just skip it. As you can see, like I said, this is the factory unlocked version. We can hook up to Wi-Fi though. So let me go ahead and do that. So there we go. It's connected to Wi-Fi. It's connected. So let's go next. So you can see it does come with about 49% battery, which is pretty good. Copy apps. We can just set up as new, doesn't really matter. That probably helps a little bit with the reflection. So sign into Google. So we can just skip all this, skip all that. Skip this. So here we go. You can set up your fingerprint scanner, as you can see, but I don't want to do that just yet. Skip anyways. Protect your phone, pattern, PIN, password, not now. Say is this phone is whoa. So there we go, guys. Look at that. Wow. There's the phone right there, guys. It looks really, really good. I like how the screen looks. Honestly, it looks really good. The screen looks vibrant. Ooh, home screen. So it's just some things. Swipe down. So it says, phone safety, do not remove the battery when your phone is unresponsive. So basically it's a built-in battery. So there you go, guys. It's saying do not remove the battery. If it's unresponsive, you can just do a quick soft reset. It's pretty cool. I like that. It's of course downloading some stuff. So there we go, DTS X 3D surround. Let me see if you can focus. If I can focus it better. There we go. Sound, Bluetooth, data. Of course, I don't have a SIM card in there yet. Flashlight, airplane mode, sync, hotspot, battery save, extender, capture, location, comfort view, do not disturb, data saver. So those are just some quick things. As you can see, guys, it's pretty cool. So I'm definitely going to test this thing out heavily. The camera I'm going to test out, the gaming, all that stuff. There's no app drawer yet, but like I said, there's not going to be much bloatware on this version since it's the factory unlocked version. So there's nothing on here yet. Smart cleaning, all that stuff, essentials. Pretty cool. So let's see. The phone does retail for $300, guys. I know, but like I said, this is a factory unlocked version of it. Let's see some of the settings real quick. Oh God, this thing's so scary. Hold on, I can't wait to put my tempered glass and all that stuff. So media server, share media content with nearby. Wow. So NFC, is this NFC, dude? File sharing, printing, mobile networks, VPNs. So look at that, LG Air drive. So I'm pretty sure this does have NFC. File sharing, wow, look at that, media server. Pretty cool. I mean, pretty sure, like I said, this is the NFC model. But I don't know, we'll look more into that. Of course, you get all your LG skins and all that stuff there. Ring when vibrating, flash alerts for incoming calls. Sound quality and effects, you can change that all, of course, sound quality and effects. Some quick stuff, display, home screen. Of course, right here you can add the app drawer if you want, but we'll skip all that for now. Comfort view, brightness, auto, mini view, so you can't shrink the screen, general. So let's see how much storage we actually get with this version. So wow, look at that, guys. 11.07 gigabytes used of 32 gigs already. So you can free up some space. The system does use 11, so I believe the Boost Mobile version used about 13 gigs. So wow, guys. LG overall uses a lot of internal space for, I guess, Android. Let's see about the phone. Let's see what model version we're having. So as you can see, there it is, Android version 8.1.0. It's pretty cool. So let's see how the pen works. So you don't push in, you have to put your fingernail and pop it out, which I don't like. Wow. I know a lot of people complained about the pen, guys. It definitely feels kind of like a car antenna pen, but pop lens, GIF capture. So let's see, pop memo. Whoop. So let's just see. Wow. Pretty cool. I mean, it's nice, but really where I want to test this phone out is one, battery life, and the other is to see how well the performance is, if really it's worth getting the 3 gigabyte model over the 2 gigabyte Boost Mobile version, and how the Snapdragon works on here. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, I will try to get the Boost Mobile version. This is just the true unlocked version. I'll try popping in different SIM cards and seeing how well it works. It's supposed to have all the bands in it. So yeah, guys, Dragonicwarfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is the unboxing of the LG Stylo 4 Factory Unlocked Edition. Thank you.